There are two ways to flip an image in Photoshop. But before you do anything, you want to make sure that the image that you want to flip and the layer it is in, it has to be unlocked. Right now this is locked. To unlock it, simply click on the lock. And then if you're getting paid by the hour, here's the first way. Simply go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, or Flip Vertical. If you want to flip it vertically, Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. That's all there is to it. Let's go back by pressing Ctrl or Command Z to undo. Another way is pressing Ctrl or Command T. This shows up the transform controls. Simply right-click and then flip horizontal, or simply right-click again, flip horizontal again. Once you're done, hit Enter or Return. This also works if you create a new layer or bring in a different object. So I'm going to go to my Finder or Explorer and let's drag and drop this graphic on top. It shows up on a brand new layer. Now already the transform controls show up. So you can directly right-click inside of it and choose flip horizontal or vertical. It works that way as well. Hit Enter or Return. And then if you want to readjust it again, Control or Command T again. Let's make it slightly smaller and I'm going to place it right there. And still, you can do all the changes while the transform controls are active. You can continue to right-click inside of it and then choose flip horizontal or vertical. Entirely up to you. Hit Enter or Return once you're done. This is Unmesh. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.